Hey, I'm Gianni from Gianni.com, teaching you how to make money online using internet. Today I'm gonna talk you about Fiverr. How can you make money on Fiverr? Have a 5 minutes using out of the box ways. So let's go to the video and remember to subscribe to the channel.
Hello and welcome to this course on Fiverr. In this course, I'm gonna cover how to make money on Fiverr, and basically I'm gonna show you ways that are out of the box on how to make money on Fiverr. Now, if you're not familiar with Fiverr or this is your first time hearing about Fiverr, their website is 5 and then rr.com, and this is basically a site where you can buy and sell almost any type of service you can imagine. So I'm here on the home page of Fiverr, and just looking at the top menu, there's different subcategories for graphics and design. So if you want a logo design for your business, you get one design for $5. So that's why this site is called Fiverr, is because you could buy and sell services for $5. Now, if you are a seller, unfortunately, you don't really get paid $5. You get paid $5 minus a dollar, which goes to Fiverr, and then minus any PayPal fees. Okay, but in this course, I'm going to show you how to make more than $5 per order. By just going back to the types of services offered here, as you can see, there's online marketing services. So if you want to market your business, get some traffic going, you could buy traffic for as little as $5 here. If you want to get something written for an ebook or articles, or if you need a resume done, let's see, videos, you get high quality videos done for $5. Music and audio, programming, advertising, business, and more. And so, if you need a testimonial, a video testimonial for a product, you get one done here. So we're just looking at the home page here. Let's just see what's trending. Mother's Day is fast approaching, so there's services related to that being advertised here. You could get vocals here. Let's just see here. Create unique ads. And there's future gigs. And as you can see, here's a customer testimonial video that someone will shoot for you, or cartoon illustration. Okay, and let's just look at a listing just for as an example here. Hire the best vocal. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so let's just look for an example. It doesn't really have to be business related. Let's see here. I will write and sing an original song for you. Um, I'll create your lyrics and rap. Okay, let's just choose that. And as you can see, here it shows 5 days on average how long it takes for his service to be completed for you. And there's 4 orders in the queue. He's got over 398 reviews. And here's some info about the gig. Okay, and as you can see here, there's some gig extras. Um, so basically, here is where you can get more than $5 per order. As you can see here, it says check out my gig extras. So if you want extra fast delivery, 4 days, that's an extra $5. What was his original delivery time? 5 days. Okay. Um, and $10 extra for other services, and then here it says his highest fee here is $20 if you want to create your lyrics and collaborate with 3 other Fiverr artists. Now I believe you can charge as much as an extra $100 or more on that. So I'll cover that in another video for basically adding gig extras to your order. Okay, so in this video, I just wanted to introduce you to Fiverr, show you, example listing, and I've also shown in this video that, although the orders are for $5, you can get more than $5 per order. Okay, so with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Hello and welcome to the next video here of this Fiverr course. In this video I just want to show you how to make more than $5 per order. In the previous video, in the introductory video, I showed you that there are something called gig extras where you could charge more than $5 on the order, and this gig extras is something similar to upsells. So it's just like buying if you order something at McDonald's and they ask you if you want fries with that. So that's what gig extras is like. When you're a new seller, you're allowed to charge up to an extra $20 for that, and you're allowed 2 gig extras. And now as you get more experience, when you graduate to level 1, you could charge up to $40. So this information is available on fiverr.com/levels. Okay, so when you go up to level 2, you could charge up to $50 and you get 5 gig extras. And then finally, when you get to a top rated seller, you could charge up to $100 per gig extra, and it shows you the criteria that you have to meet to get or to move up to each of these levels. Now another way to get more than $5 per order is through something called custom offers, which is mentioned right here, and if you click on that, you're brought to this page. But basically when you're a new seller, you could send custom offers up to $325, and then when you move up you could charge up to $1,500 when you move up to the higher levels. Okay, so basically what is a custom offer? A custom offer may be something that's not on available for the gig descriptions on the Fiverr.com page. It could be a highly customized offer for your customers, and there are a couple ways you can send custom offers. One could be through responding to an email. You know, if one of your customers is asking you about a service they would like and it doesn't really fit any of your descriptions, you could send them a custom offer that way. Another way is just to use it anywhere. For example, if you have a website, you could just embed or place a custom offer button on your website for that. Okay, and there's an example here. You know, someone's offering to create a mobile app. Their price is $200. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do now in the next video, I'm going to show you some ways you can make with Fiverr that are sort of out of the box. Okay, so with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Hello and welcome back to this video course. In this video I'm going to show you some ways on how to make money on Fiverr that are out of the box. Okay, so one way that you can make money on Fiverr that is out of the box is to sell information instead of services, and the beauty of that is that you're not trading time for money, and that you could create a passive income stream online if you do it this way. And I know of people who are doing this, but who are just selling information, not services, on Fiverr. So for example, you could get private label rights to an ebook. Now for those of you who do not know what a private label rights is, private label rights, or PLR, means that you have the rights or the license to brand and edit a product, whether it be a book, a video, software, or graphics. Okay, so basically you could just do a Google search for the term PLR or private label rights, and there's plenty of PLR products out there that you can buy or that are free that you can find online. Okay, so basically you could sell information that way on Fiverr and get automated income every month on Fiverr that way. Okay, another way that you can make money on Fiverr that is out of the box is to flip Fiverr services on forums and classified ads. Okay, so an example here is something that I've done in the past is I've I've gotten somebody on Fiverr to create graphics for me, and then what I did was turn around and sell those graphics on an internet marketing forum. Okay, and I've also used those eventually just to get leads for my business. Another way you could make money on Fiverr that's out of the box is to flip them offline. So an example is you can approach a local mom and pop shop and offer something like a logo design or a brochure, which they'd be happy to pay you $50 to $100 for. And then what you could do is go to Fiverr and get that done for as low as $5. Okay, so basically it's the sky's the limit for you here. Another way you can make money with Fiverr that is out of the box is to offer writing services. You could offer to write things for people, and you don't necessarily have to write them. Okay, so for example, you could go to a site like iWriter.com. Let's go to that site right now, and as you can see here, you could get content written for as low as $1.25 per article. Okay, so you could advertise your writing services, and whenever you get orders, you just go to iWriter and get and order some work done for you for a lot lower price. Okay, another way you can make money, which is similar to this method, is to buy or basically to flip SEO and traffic services on Fiverr. So basically, you can buy, or well, you could go to the site here, SEOclerks.com, and this is a site where people are offering SEO and other traffic related services. But there are some services here that are a dollar only. So you could go to Fiverr, advertise a similar service, and then when you get the order, you could go to this site and buy that service for $1 or more. Okay, so that's all that I've got on my list here. I'm sure there's a lot of other ways to make money on Fiverr that are out of the box. Um, Hopefully, I've got your juices flowing here. In the meantime, I hope you've enjoyed this course, and I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to go more in depth, subscribe to the channel and go to johnvianney.com in order to learn how to make money online step by step, promoting other people's products. See you in the next video.